In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log into a Gmail account on desktop or laptop. To begin, open a web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. For the smoothest experience with Google services, Chrome often works best, but any modern browser is fine. Once your browser is open, go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar at the top of the window, then press Enter. This takes you to the official Gmail sign-in page. On the sign-in screen, you may see an account chooser. This typically happens if someone has signed in on this computer before, or if your browser has saved Google accounts. If you see a list of accounts, click the account you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if multiple people share the same device. If you do not see the account you need, you would normally choose the option to use another account. But for this walkthrough, we are focusing on selecting the account that is already shown. After you select the account, Google will prompt you for the password on the next screen. Click into the password field and carefully type your password. As you type, the characters will be hidden for privacy, so take your time and check that caps lock is not turned on. It can also help to type slowly, especially on laptops where the keyboard is more compact. Once you have entered your password, move down to the next button and click it. This submits your login information and, in most cases, takes you directly into your Gmail inbox. Depending on your security settings, Google might also ask for an additional verification step, such as a code or a prompt on your phone. If that appears, follow the on-screen instructions to finish signing in. After you are in, you will be able to read your emails, send messages, and manage your mailbox like usual. And that is all there is to it.